If you are finding it difficult to advertise your local services on Google due to the advanced verification, watching this video will change the game for you for good. You will no longer have to worry about the verification before you can start advertising your local services with Google Ads. And I'm going to show you this if you are ready to take action right now. If I go straight to my Google Ads account, you see just today we have gotten about 439 clicks. And if I go ahead and show you the data for the last 30 days, you see what we have gotten in this account. We have gotten over 20,000 clicks, all of this for local services in the USA. And I'm going to do the same thing for your business only if you are ready to take action right now. The interesting thing is that you're not going to pay anything upfront before you can start advertising your local services with Google Ads. So if you are interested in this offer, go ahead and look at the link anywhere in this video right now. Click on the link and I will be able to set up your local services ads on Google and drive impressive results for your business. So go ahead and click on the link right now and I will see you in the other side.